Okay, today's quick lesson for October 7th, 2016. The title is Wildlife Group Works to Protect Animals That Are Being Traded and Killed. And for grammar, we will look at the present negative, the past negative, present perfect negative, and the future negative. So let's see the present negative. Endangered animals are not protected. And an endangered animal is an animal that is not is losing life, or people take their lives because of their skin or their fur. Right here, the fur, people want it and they kill it and they can make money. So that is an endangered animals. So for the present negative, endangered animals are not protected. Past negative, endangered animals were not protected. Present perfect negative, endangered animals have not been protected. And the future negative, endangered animals will not be protected. All right, thanks for your time. We'll talk to you later.